Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this fall color themed look. So if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation and concealer done, and I had set my face, and then I went in with the Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzer. And I'm just applying that with a fluffy angled face brush on my cheekbones and a little on my jawline. And then I went in with the LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette, taking this shade, and I am using a Luxie, I think it's a foundation brush, and I'm just using that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline. Drink, think, deeply as I sink. Then I am taking the City Color Cosmetics Be Matte Blush in the shade Zinnia, using the Royal and Langnickel Motor Pro pointed blush brush and just using that to warm up my cheeks. Then I am going in with the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive, using a tapered Luxie highlighter brush to highlight my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Tabletops counters in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops dancers never need. Then for my eyes, I went in with the Jcat Beauty Hollywood palette, taking this yellow shade using a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm running that right into my crease. And I am sorry that I did not have a video up on Tuesday. I felt like I needed just a little bit more of a break than I had anticipated, so I did manage to film this today, and then I'm going to be doing this voiceover the night before, so you'll have a video on Thursday. And then I am taking that orange shade from the same palette, and I'm going to be using the Profusion. It's a dual-ended brush. I'm using the blending brush side, and I'm running that into my crease as well, making sure it's down a little further than the yellow. And I'm also making sure to put this on the outer corner of my eye to help the colors that I'm going to be putting there blend better later. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't. Next, I am taking this warm-toned brown shade, and I'm using just a very small amount of this to add into my outer corner and drag a little into my crease as well. First, I am using a defining crease brush, and then I do go back in with that Profusion brush that I was just using to soften out the edges and blend it, but I did not add any additional product onto it. Oh, and then a quick note, I am going to be starting a makeup series. My Tuesday video should be the first in the series. I'm going to be doing makeup through the decades, but with a little twist. It's going to be this character that I'm creating. Her name is Serena Bennett. She is a vampire, so she is going to have how her makeup would have been through the decades. And so I'm then taking this purpley toned shade, and I'm using that to deepen up the outer corner, gradually building it up, using that same defining crease brush. And I wanted to start like bringing in a lot more cosplay and like cool creative makeup looks, maybe alternate like a regular look and then one of those looks each week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I don't know, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Then next I am using the Jcat Beauty, oh goodness, what are these called? Metal Chrome Eye Mousse, and this is the shade Orange You Happy, I believe. And I'm using a very small e.l.f. concealer brush to apply this. I did cut my crease to give it more of a defined half-cut crease look, and I'm putting this in the center of my lid and then blending it into the outer corner shades. Then I am taking the Metal Chrome Eye Mousse from Jcat Beauty in the shade Tricky Jester, and I'm putting that on the inner third of my eye and also on the inner corner of my eye. Chasing whatever kills for so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting eyes in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights call. We wander all alone, but we can't deny the street light people. Then I'm just making sure that those two colors are nice and blended together. I think these colors really scream fall to me because it kind of reminds me of the colors of changing leaves. Then taking a small liner brush from BS Small and that warm-toned brown shade we had used earlier, I'm just running a very thin line of this between the metal chrome shadows and where it meets the crease colors just to help define it a little more. And then for my lower lash line, I first went in with that yellow shade from the Jcat Hollywood palette using an e.l.f. smudger brush, and then I went in with the orange shade from that same palette. Why am I speaking like that? I don't know. And I'm using a angled brush from Aesthetica. Then for mascara, I went in with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes. I did not do a BoxyCharm unboxing for October, but I did get this mascara in that box. Then for lips, I went in with this Profusion matte liquid lipstick. I will have the shade name down below. I can't recall it off at the top of my head, but it's this really nice, vampy, chocolatey, reddish toned. I can't describe this color. And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.